We also have another caller, Catherine from Forestdale. Understand that you are on the line with us this evening. How can we help you?
Hello.
Hi.
I
Hi,
am
Catherine.
calling. Can you hear me?
Yes, go right ahead.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I have an unmarried granddaughter who has a child, and we need to know if she needs to file for full custody of the baby.
That's a great question. You know, there are a couple questions before we get to exactly what that might look like, right? Is the father of the child in the child's life? Does the father want to be in the child's life? Has the father had an opportunity to be in the child's life? Typically with something like that, it is going to be a family court issue. You're going to have to file something in family court if you're looking to try to get custody or if you're looking to try to get child support from the father. Typically in those situations, you're going to have some type of acknowledgement of paternity. So if the father signed the birth certificate, the court may order also a DNA test to be done to confirm who that father is. But looking at sole custody for a child, the courts are probably going to consider, you know, what are the circumstances behind that? Is it because the father is violent? Is it because the father is absent? Another thing that, you know, I've had some parents to ask about is where a person has a child and the father is not in their life, and the old parent or the mother or whomever would like to get married, and the new parent would like to adopt the child. That's also a process, some requirements you need to look at if the other parent has been in that child's life for so many months or has not been in their life, abandonment. There are just some legal issues that you can look around. I would definitely encourage you to give me a call, give our office a call so that we can see what options there may be for you to try to get custody of the child. Just to make sure that if anything does happen to the child, there's a responsible adult that can be able to take care of the child. Also might want to look at a guardianship. If you can't get sole custody, a guardian for the child, a legal guardian, will also help to be able to make sure that that child's rights are going to be protected if anything were to happen to a parent.
Enjoy getting custody the way you want it on the front end is so very important because how difficult it is to change.
Yes, it is. And typically, you know, with family court, it is not easy because you're going to have to file, you're going to have to wait for a court date, but just you're going to follow the law. It's not hard, it's not easy just to take custody from someone.
Very
and
difficult.
So sometimes people think they want sole custody because, you know, a parent might not be involved, but every parent has the right to have access and parent their child until something egregious comes along that shows that that right should be taken away.
Sure.
Great.